In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize business card template in Canva. Let's jump in and keep it simple and clear so you can follow along smoothly. First, open your web browser and head to Canva. If you're not already there, a quick search for Canva will take you to the right place. Once the site loads, log into your account so you can access your designs and the tools we'll use today. When you're on the homepage, find the business card template you want to adjust. You can open a design you've already created or pick a new business card template that matches your style. Click to open it so you're inside the Canva editor with your design ready to go. At the top of the editor, look for the Resize button. Go ahead and click it. This opens a panel where you can quickly change your design's dimensions or convert it into different formats. If you already know the format you need, you can choose from the suggested options in that panel. For example, if you're adapting your business card to another format, you can select the preset that matches your goal. Canva will reflow elements as best as it can, but keep an eye on text and images afterward to make sure everything still looks balanced. If you want exact control, choose custom size. This lets you type in the precise width and height you need, and you can switch units between pixels, inches, or millimeters. For print-ready business cards, inches or millimeters are the most straightforward. A common US size is 3.5 by 2 inches, while many international cards use 85 by 55 millimeters. Enter the values, confirm your units, and apply the change. After resizing, scan your layout, nudge text boxes, logos, and backgrounds as needed so nothing gets cropped. If you plan to print, remember that most printers expect a small bleed around the edges. You may want to allow a little extra background beyond the trim line so colors and images extend cleanly to the edge. A quick note before you finalize, the resize feature is part of Canva's paid subscription. If you're on a free plan, you may see a prompt asking you to upgrade. Before you can apply these changes, make sure your account has access to this feature so the resize completes successfully. That's it. Open Canva, log in, pick your business card template, click resize, choose a preset or use custom size, adjust your width, height, and units, and then tidy up your layout. You're ready to download and use your resized business card with confidence.